What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are visiting a bowling alley in the middle of Times Square, New York City, as you can see behind me. I'm bowling against my dad and my uncle today. Let's get to bowling. We're about 100 feet from Times Square. This is Bolero, Times Square. Let's head inside and get to bowling. We're starting off frame 1 in Times Square, I guess the Times Square setting of Bolero Times Square. Next up, frame 2, we're going to Chinatown. You're going first? Usually they tell me to go first. No, it's good. It's good luck to go first. Whoever goes first, I feel like always wins on the channel.
Oh, but I think.
So please.
But no.
Please
but
step
I think
up.
You're right. If somebody's
Well,
watching
that's
you.
true. I should be going first.
You should go first.
Right?
No,
I should
I
be going first then?
Yeah, if you want to go
Because
first.
I'm going to win.
A little 5-piece, okay. So,
There it is. Got that.
I'm telling you, going first is good juju. And this is day 9 of our 12 days of Christmas, and today we're giving away a Belmo signed jersey, which I guess, you know, that could be the top prize. Probably should be the top prize, but you should wait to see the next couple days' prizes. 2 rules of the giveaway: you have to be a subscriber of the channel, and you have to click the link down below in the description to sign up for the giveaway form.
Not great.
Told you, something about going first is just good juju. It's close. Okay. Next up, frame 2, we're going to Chinatown. I'm thinking maybe if I rub the Buddha belly, it'll bring me some good luck. But it does work.
Actually, that's pretty.
This will really be testing my math skills on how good I am at doing bowling math. Right in the holster.
Nice. There you go.
The good news is you weren't on a spare, so me. So.
More to get. More to get.
So right now we're leaving Chinatown and we're actually walking towards the Coney Island section, which is another part of New York City. Bye, Chinatown. Yep, they're all lefties. Every single one of them is left-handed. Little update, they were cleaning the Coney Island section, so we'll be going to Central Park, which is probably the fanciest and nicest looking of the bunch. Not bad. Good luck.
No hook, no care. What's up?
Rob's talking smack. That's what's up. Sorry. Sorry. You know what they say, it is what it is. And this is championship level bowling. I told you though, bringing up the caboose is the hardest one.
It's the easiest. I'm coming on now. Here we go.
You gotta open up the hips a little bit. Let the swing clear them. Oh, that's good. Ooh!
That's what I'm talking about.
I'm just saying, Rob, you are the only one that didn't strike in Central Park.
It's early in the game.
As a New York City man, what's your favorite part of New York City?
This right here, my friend.
Central Park?
This bowling alley right here.
He's a liar.
All right, so now we are leaving Central Park and we're going to Coney Island again now that it's all dry.
Oh, go down.
Fell off the hand a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, fell off the hand a little bit. And as professionals do, I'm gonna blame it 100% on my equipment and my setup, and absolutely nothing to do with myself. The ball didn't fit my thumb. I thought that was a mess. Good news though, still professional, still making spares.
Nothing on that. Nothing. No hook, too much hook.
All right, so downstairs was different spots of New York City. Upstairs is different time periods. So this would be the Art Deco time period. You gotta switch those shots around. That's why you just gotta take the thumb out, put your second hand on it, and throw it like a 3-year-old child. That's for all the people in the comments.
I like
I was
that.
gonna kiss my hands, but yucky! I don't think there's anything that I need to say after that.
Nope.
My statement has been made.
If I got the blue hammer, that's a strike.
We're going from the Art Deco to Prohibition.
It is really dark in here.
Funny.
That's it.
You look good.
Too much curve on
Ooh.
That was almost bad. That was almost bad.
Yikes.
Just a little bit of hook, that's it. Just a little bit. Dad, you're up. I'm just saying, there's a chance now.
Time to make a move.
You're on a spare.
Oh, that was ugly.
All right, boys, that was not good.
We are done in the Prohibition, and we're going over to our final one, which is the pop area of Bolero Times Square. So there are 7 areas. We're gonna do 7 frames. However, we will give the optional endless 10th frame, which means I will just bowl a regular 10th frame, and I will let my dad and Rob bowl as long as they keep marking. So if they keep sparing, I will let them continuously rack up their score to try and beat me. And that is what I think the great equalizer will be. We're also gonna switch up the order here in the 10th. I'll go first, that way I'll set the number and let them continuously make attempts to try and beat me. These balls this feels the best. I need, a spare here gets me a bonus shot, just one. So I need.
Yikes.
The crowd seems real bummed back here. Rob's like, oh no. Dad says, tough break. New scoring update, Packy ends his 7 frames with 102, which means Robbie needs 40, which is only 2 spares. I guess, no. That's 4 spares in a row. Okay, though, we've been over there before earlier in the day. Hey! Rob, how do you feel about your performance?
Weak.
You want to know your scoring update?
All I have to say is
Couple strikes.
I live
That's all
for
it
8
takes.
baggers.
8 baggers. Oh! There's one. There's one. Oh. It's okay though. You don't need to keep
Pick it up.
You don't need to keep striking. You just need a spare. This is just a traditional strike shot.
So was the last one.
I thought the string pin was gonna get it. That sums it up from my time at the Bolero in Times Square. It's also the Bolero headquarters. One of the coolest bowling alleys that I've been to. 7 completely different bays. I'm glad they opened it up a little early and let me bowl in each one of them, throwing a shot and competing against my dad and my uncle. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. And until then, peace. I guess until tomorrow, because we have another video coming out tomorrow. Peace.